Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a rose geranium oil, I want to show you this one here from Green Health Essential Oils. So this is a 4-ounce bottle of the rose geranium oil, and this is a really nice oil for helping to prevent ticks and to repel them. So if you live in an area that has a lot of ticks and maybe you're looking for a more natural option, we have found this to be helpful in helping to cut down on the amount of ticks that we see. And you can dilute this, make a little spray with it. You can mix it with other essential oils to make a blend that is helpful for those things. I like that it comes in this glass bottle with a dropper, so it makes it really easy to use. And you just open it up and then squeeze the top, and then you can very easily dose out your drops of the oil. And just be careful not to get it on other things because it does have a really strong scent. So you definitely want to dilute this. It is pretty strong, but like I said, we have found it for us in our area to be helpful in repelling ticks. So if you're looking for a natural tick repellent, or if you like the smell of rose geranium oil for aromatherapy or massage therapy, then this is a really nice option, and that's my point of view.